Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, this is the ultimate love season 1 preview. Plenty drama with full season 1. We know you guys are already missing ultimate love just as much as we are. So we thought we should throw back to some of the most dramatic moments that Auntie's love guests gave us during their stay in her pad. Everyone, and we mean everyone, gave us a dose of their own wahala. From Uche's early exit to David Wilson's blatant dishonesty, let's have a look at some of the moments where our love guests left us thinking, chai, man like Uche did not come to stay. Uche was one of the 4 new love guests that Aunty added a week into the show. He came in with Jerry, Sylvia and Presh Tucker, and immediately they shifted the dynamics of the game. He ended with Chris through the pairing process and was visibly unhappy with it. He was so unhappy about it that he willingly checked himself out of the love pad after sleeping in it for almost 3 nights. Do you think I'm stupid, David? Rosie gave us one of the most memorable moments of the Ultimate Love Season 1. She lunged at David Wilson, accusing him of playing with her heart. This after named Presh Tucker as his first choice instead of her when it became time to couple up, a display of raw emotion in Auntie's love pad as well as on them Twitter streets. Presh Tucker, Rosie and Nkechi in that order. Related to the above is David Wilson's questionable move when he, with a straight face, looked at Obichukwu and said that Rosie was his number 1 choice when he knew very well that Presh Tucker topped his list. Yes, I'm serious, added David Wilson after Obichukwu asked him, "Are you telling me Rosie was your first choice?" His list had Presh Tucker, Rosie and Nkechi in that order. Chidi, it's too much, just stop. Sylvia wasn't trying to have Rosie's rock the Chivia boat. Sis was quick to call Chidi Banks to order after she felt that he was getting way too cozy with Rosie at one Friday night party. It was hardly an isolated incident, as the two shared some form of connection from this initial meeting at the show audition. Kudos to Chidi Banks, who heeded his Madam Kwan and shifted his gaze from Rosie to focus solely on her. I'm no man's shadow. Bolanle's bold personality manifested itself in Auntie's love pad in many ways. The Bola ship was rocked a few times by incidents that Arnold felt were of Bolanle making. She never backed down though, always ready to defend her position. There was that one time she stated to Arnold that she's no man's shadow. I'm not going to be your shadow. I would rather end this now. I'm not competing with your ego. I'm not competing with your manhood. I'm not competing with your place of responsibility. You can have that, stated a super certain Bolanle. Chai, talk about standing for your matter. There are more dramatic moments from season 1 that we could look at, but these are the ones that we pick, and I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more gist and entertainment news coming out of our country. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.